Misspelled words. This isn't a song, though it goes on and on with a strong beat. There's no deceit in my words, so don't retreat. Let me separate you from misspelled words you'll meet. This feat of proper spelling you can complete. By the hour you'll sit here and hear our speech. We'll form a committee and keep proper spelling within reach. Whether today or tomorrow or a Wednesday in February, don't you know that learning how to spell is completely necessary? You've heard the catchphrases from infancy, like I before E except after C, but the English language has exceptions that exceed. Let me proceed so you'll succeed. Success is guaranteed. Be courageous, there's an E in changeable, but drop the E if your argument is not valuable. They're not to desert their dessert in the desert over there, or wave their hands in frustration in the air when they air. I'm already ready, are you all ready to go? It's time to know which said no, or why only half the horses have heard the horse cow singing from the herd. Never wait or be late for a scheduled practice. Accept the fact that you need to practice. Receive, believe this message I write as I massage these words and make spelling right. For example, i.e. it was a great relief that the chief ran into the field and caught the thief. His sheer height and weight meant he seized him without grief. Let me wrap up this rap. Take the advice that I advise and recognize. When it comes to words that sound the same, there are more than two, in fact too many for me to name. And if you think it's impossible, try to get capable, because words with tricky endings are plentiful. Don't feel dumb if the bomb of silent letters comes your way. Just whistle this hymn in your head until you get it straight. Don't be stopped by double letters making misspelled words. There is really no secret. You'll have to practice until it works. Remember this ridiculous spellbound rhythm, cause it's through. I thought you knew. No? There's nothing new to know. Believe me, the song has effect. Except if you don't accept it, you won't be affected.